Hi everyone! Do you know that there are people buying and selling domains and making lots of money? You can do it too. But which domains to buy? There are so many, literally millions of them. Wouldn't it be awesome if there's an app that can help you find out which domains to buy and sell? Well, there is. Today, I will show you a free keyword search tool to make money buying and selling domain names. Well, first you must find a profitable niche before you can buy a domain. Otherwise, you may be buying a dud, right? A waste of money. In a previous video, I shared about how to find a profitable niche using Jaxi. So go watch that video to learn how to do this first step before you come back to buy a domain. So you can click on the card above or go to the Make Money Anywhere playlist and go watch that video. So what we do is we go to Jaxi and again we click on brainstorm. We continue the brainstorm idea of dog collars and we look through the list of keywords. Remember we wanted to do the super targeted niche of leather dog collars. So I choose the keywords dog collars leather and click on it. This is to dive deeper and find a more suitable domain name. Also to see if there are many keywords for you to create a lot of content. A new list of keywords will then appear. Now we look at the list and find a keyword that will be a good domain name for this niche we have chosen. So we click on the QSR to see the competition first. So it is very low, so it is ideal. And as you can see, the .com is available. So click on the .com option and you will be brought to the page to purchase this domain name. As you can see, it is leather.collarsonline.com. Quite a nice name. I might even buy it if I want to consider doing this niche. So after you purchase the domain, you should start to build a website and the business. Using the keywords that you have found previously, you can create a lot of content and get them all ranked high, even on the first pages of search result pages. A website with high amount of traffic will be very attractive to buyers. Without Jaxi, it can take you hours, even days, weeks or months to research and find a suitable niche as well as a suitable domain name. Jaxi can help you find the good ones very quickly. If you need to access Jaxi, you can do it by joining the free training program that I recommend. Yes, it is free with the free training provided. Go to the link in the description below to try it out. You can always start with a free starter membership and then later on upgrade to a premium membership. And when you become a premium member, I will be your mentor. I will guide you and help you succeed as an online entrepreneur and make money. So do you have any questions about Jaxi and using it to buy domains? Let me know in the comments below. I will continue to publish new videos about making money online every Friday and videos about business and digital marketing every Wednesday. So remember to subscribe and click on the notification button to receive updates whenever I publish a new video on this channel. I wish you immense wealth and success.